Hi, boys and girls. Hi, moms and dads. This is Miss Key coming to you once again. We are learning about nutritious foods this week as we enter the holiday season. I have a special snack I would like to share with you. I'm going to let you see how to make this snack and what you will need as far as the ingredients. So let's share the screen. First, you are going to need our precious little ones who will use their fine motor skills. They're able to use their pincer grasp to pick up objects with their fingers. Next, they can learn cognitive skills. They can attempt to chant, recite numbers, even though they're not necessarily in the correct order, but they're learning and being exposed to numbers. So the first ingredient that we're going to need is 1 orange carrot. We're also going to need 1 green cucumber peel. We're going to need 2 bagels. Then we're going to need 2 green cucumbers. We're going to need 3 red cherry tomatoes and 1 container of cream cheese spread. So let's get started. So we are going to take our bagels here and begin to spread the cream cheese all over the bagel. Just like so. Spread the cream cheese all over the bagel. And we're going to pretend that this is our snow. Then we're going to take our cucumbers, and remember to use your pincer grasp, and put it on the bagel for the eyes. 1, 2. Now, what about that carrot nose? 1 carrot, put it in the middle for the carrot nose. Now for the second bagel, we are going to take our red cherry tomatoes and put 1 in the middle, 1 on the top, and 1 on the bottom. And our cream cheese also is like glue to help the tomatoes stay in place. Now, we're going to take our snowman and put it on the plate. Just like so. Can you see that? And here's our snowman. Frosty the Snowman. We have our cucumber eyes, our carrot nose, our cucumber smile using our peel, and our 3 red cherry tomatoes for the buttons. Enjoy! See you later. Bye-bye.